Put them, then sign an old guy. Bring back Giroud. Bring him to Paris. Because he has taken teams to the Champions League final. You get, put him there. Then get the young players. Mix them in. Give yourself 2 years. If you are a serious project, every player will want to come and play for you.
You said Arsenal, you take Magalhaes. Then
Yes.
Then from Manchester United,
You get Martinez. Yes.
Then which other team? Vinicius from Madrid. Oh, whom you can cover?
And Bernardo Silva.
And Bernardo Silva.
Yes.
Yes.
Put them there. Because you have seen how Chelsea has been selling good players. Then from those people, set up the team. But what Mbappé is looking at now is saying, what am I doing here? What am I doing in this crumbling project? The project seems to be having no vision. At this time, he looks at it, he sees no vision for the project. It's like being at a secondary school, and then the best mathematics teacher leaves. Then while you are there, you are told that the best chemistry teacher also has gone. Even the one who was very good in history has also left. And they were students there. A good student. A person who has ambitions of getting 88. He said, no, I have to leave. I have to leave.
You want to win here? You're Kylian Mbappé. You want to win Champions League with PSG.
I mean, you are not Harry Maguire. You have ambition. You have ambitions. You are Harry Maguire. You are Kylian Mbappé. I mean, who doesn't know him?
He has the World Cup, but he is missing.
Actually, if Mbappé remains in that team, he's going to get a dip in form. Next season, he will score a very few goals. Actually, he will even play few games, and he will get an injury. He will be unfit. To tell you the truth, when the mind is not fit, the body also becomes unfit. And it is very common. You saw Aubameyang when he was playing for Arsenal recently. Each time he had an injury, he was like this, is the other way. But when he went to Barcelona,
he scored goals.
Yes, he scored goals in the after season. He had serious goals, almost 15. So it is going to happen to Mbappé next if he remains in the party.
Now, of course, you have players like Neymar that have been tortured by fans. They want
to need to leave. All those not leave, because now I think, but by the way, those fans, those Paris Saint-Germain fans are torturing those men because first of all, they see that, yes, Neymar is a talented player, but he's not doing much. He's not dying for the team. He's just there for the money. Because he's getting the money he asks for, he will keep there. But he looks at the environment and says, why am I suffering? I don't have to put in too much. Even if he puts in too much, whether he puts in less, they still have...
They won't even appreciate it.
Therefore, they will appreciate. So he has to just be himself and say, let me enjoy the moment, I eat my money, everything will continue. But if he was, for example, playing for Liverpool, Neymar, if he was playing for Liverpool, for example, or if he was playing for Manchester United, he would be doing everything within his means because he's playing for a big club. You got it? But he's playing for Paris Saint-Germain. Anytime they will win the league. I mean, Paris Saint-Germain is not the Bayern Munich. There is a difference, big difference. If he was playing for Bayern Munich, he would be playing serious football. But I think now those two men, they thought they are bigger than the league in France. They just came to make money and leave.
Anyway.
Yes.
So there's no serious competition. More teams that were serious, like Monaco. have been selling their players even before.
They're selling players. But all of those are selling club. Well, and to me, now you see Lyon is down completely with the Olympic Lyon because of selling. They've been selling. But I think for Lyon, the project fails. They failed the project. So PSG, there's a lot they have to be. A lot. They're going to suffer in the Champions League next season. They're going to suffer. Actually, it will be hard for them to win the league. And for those teams like Lille, they are doing very well. Very good projects. And France is the best place to recruit players. They have very good academy. Very good academies. And they're okay now. The market has become
PDC.
The market is turbulent. Because whenever there is a good player, all teams look at that one and 50 million pounds. Without that, we will not get the player. You see how much money Arsenal is asking for Baloga.
No, and then
Lot of money.
50 million.
Yes.
A player that has not played a season in last.
Give us hint. The man bagged 21 goals. Are they 21 or 23?
Thing like that. 23.
Only there. Serious goals.
Because he was competing against Mbappé.
Yes, he was the third.
Yeah, after Lacazette.
Yes. He was the third. So, Arsenal bowled. Lacazette almost 50-50.
And this kid hasn't played even 2 seasons.
Yes, so. And he wasn't playing in the top team. So just imagine if he was playing for PSG and he has all the supply from Messi and others, he would score 50 goals. He would be the Haaland that we are speaking about today. So that's it.